Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make some really neat things with chocolate that you can put onto little cakes and cupcakes and use as decoration. So I'm going to get a little bit of chocolate down here on a granite slab. Just get it out like that. That's good. I'll zoom in. I'm going to grab my little scraper and I'm simply going to go right through the chocolate, just like this. Just pull it right through. And there we go. So at this point, I just want to let this set up, which is going to take about 5 minutes, and then I'll be back. Once your chocolate has firmed up, you're going to grab your scraper and you're going to come in at an angle, and now you're just going to go back and forth. And I'm going to go about halfway, and now I'm going to zoom in because I want to show you the neat little texture that we have here. So I've zoomed in a little bit because I just want to show you what this looks like. So you want to do back and forth, but you can see one side is flat and then you've got a little bit of a curve. But what's kind of neat is that they're all little pieces and they are very, very unique. And there we have it. So they're different from shavings, but you can use them in the same kind of manner. So you can put them on top of cupcakes or take them, frost the cake, and then you're going to grab them and you're going to pack them up against the side of the cake. Really nice. So I'm just going to finish these off. And you can see that if you do a whole pile of these and then let the chocolate set, you're going to have a lot of these in just a few minutes. And look at that. Just from that little bit of chocolate. Look at all of these. Amazing. So a really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. And in case you're wondering, yes, you will get this exact final result even on a regular countertop at home. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time.
And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.